Welcome to the DV Systems channel, your trusted partner for structured cabling, video surveillance, and low-voltage installations in the New York City area. Today, we're talking about warehouse surveillance, a critical layer of protection for businesses managing large inventories and valuable equipment. Warehouses are the heart of logistics and storage operations, often housing thousands, even millions, of dollars in goods. Without a proper surveillance system in place, they're vulnerable to internal theft, unauthorized access, and safety violations that can cost companies dearly. Installing high-definition security cameras in strategic areas like loading docks, shelving aisles, entry points, and packaging stations acts as a strong deterrent against theft and misconduct. These systems also provide irrefutable video evidence in case of disputes or incidents, supporting internal investigations and legal claims. But it's not just about protecting inventory. Surveillance systems also promote a safer work environment. Employees are more likely to follow safety protocols when they know the facility is being monitored, reducing the risk of accidents, workplace injuries, and liability issues. Advanced surveillance solutions from DV Systems can include motion detection, remote viewing, night vision, and even real-time alerts, so you can keep an eye on your operation from anywhere, anytime. If you're managing a warehouse in NYC or beyond, investing in a professionally installed surveillance system isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for operational security, accountability, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security insights and infrastructure tips. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com. At DV Systems, we're committed to connecting you to what matters most.